بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. عن عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. عن عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله تعالى عنه قال, had Umar رضي الله تعالى عنه narrates that قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, Rasulullah صلى الله عليه وسلم said, إن الله يرفع بهذا الكتاب أقواما إن الله يرفع بهذا الكتاب أقواما. Allah exalts many people by means of this book. ويضع به آخرين, and he also degrades and disgraces many others by means of the same. Rawahu Muslim. People who believe in the holy book, the Holy Quran, and act upon it are given by Allah position of honor and respect, both in this life as well as in the hereafter, while those who do not act upon it are disgraced by Allah. This principle is also borne out by the various ayat of the Holy Quran. At one place it reads, يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا يضل به كثيرا. He misleads many by this book. ويهدي به كثيرا, and guides many others, many thereby, and guides many thereby.